What's up guys, this is Charmin here. In this video I'm going to teach you physics, that is the chapter work, power and energy. What's the chapter? That is work, power and energy. So let's get started. So what is work? So work, that is measure of energy transfer that occurs when an object is moved over a distance by an external force, at least part of which is applied in the direction of the displacement. That is work. So work, if a force F is applied on an object and the object transverses a distance that is S during the application of the force, then the amount of work, that is W, done by what? Done by force, that is W equal to Fs. So here is a unit of work, that is joule. So you can write like this, J. And here is a dimension of work, that is W. W equal to ML² T to the power minus 2. Alright, so that is the work. So how about energy? So let's talk about energy. What is energy? So energy, that is the ability to doing work, that is the capacity of doing work, that is energy. Guys, now I'm going to talk about mechanical energy. So what is mechanical energy? So that is the energy. Mechanical energy is a kind of energy that is obtained due to the position, shape and motion that is object is called mechanical energy. So there are two forms of mechanical energy. How many forms of energy? Mechanical energy, two forms of mechanical energy. Number one, that is kinetic energy. Number two, that is potential energy. So what is kinetic energy? So energy, an object that is possessed by virtue of its motion. Yes, so the energy of a body or a system with respect to the motion of the body or of the particles in the system, that is kinetic energy. So now I'm going to talk about potential energy. What is potential energy? So energy, this is one kind of energy, an object that is possessed by virtue of its position in a field or gravitational or electromagnetic. So potential energy is the stored energy in an object or system because it is position or configuration. It can be transferred. So now guys, tell me, what's the difference between kinetic energy and potential energy? So kinetic energy is a type of energy. This is the energy present in a body due to the property of its motion. What's that? That is property of its motion. And potential energy, that is the type of energy present in a body. And kinetic energy can be easily transferred from one body to another body. And potential energy, that is not transferable. And kinetic energy, determining factors for kinetic energy are spread or velocity or mass. And potential energy, that is determine the factors or height or distance and mass. And for example, flowing water. So flowing water is one of the example of kinetic energy. And potential energy, water present at the top of the hill is an example of potential energy. That is, top of the hill there is a water present. And kinetic energy, it is relative with respect of nature. And potential energy, that is non-relative with respect of nature. That is non-relative. That is the difference between kinetic energy and potential energy. So guys, I hope that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another new video. Keep watching and keep practicing. Go through your textbooks, do some practice and find out some work, find out some exercise. You try to do it, you try to solve it, watch the video again and again. It can help you guys. And if you have any question, leave a comments. I'm here to help you. Thank you so much guys.